So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a message on Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com. Through here you can see Fiverr, you can see the search bar right here, upgrade to pro, notifications, messages, as well as your lists, orders, and so on. So on here you will need to find messages and open them. On here you can see no messages yet, it all starts with hello. So you can see all in inbox, so let's click on the inbox right there. And you can see a fresh new inbox, you haven't started any conversations. So on here, in order to delete messages, and you will see your conversations on here, the Fiverr app as well as the Fiverr web version don't allow the deleting of individual messages. You will need to delete whole conversations. So you can remove conversations, unpin them, remove them, delete the conversations, but deleting individual messages is currently an unavailable action. And through here you can just access all your messages. You can see unread, starred, archived, spam. So you can see it really looks like an email inbox, and on there you can delete whole conversations, and with deleting the conversation you will delete the messages as well. But you can find it all through this page in inbox. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.